Happy holidays, friends! It is time to count down to Christmas. Today we're going to be making a paper mache craft using Aleene's tacky glue to create our paper mache glue recipe. Alright, so for today's project we're going to need a couple things. You're going to need your Aleene's tacky glue. You can get it in a variety of different sizes, all the way from a huge jug down to a 2-ounce bottle. We're also going to use a variety of different paints to decorate our houses. We need paintbrushes, a scissor, a block for each day we want to do our countdown, scrap cardboard, stir sticks, string. We're going to decorate our houses using the Aleene's Glitter Snow and True Snow. We need plastic cups, some white craft paper, and a plate. All right, I'm going to do a 7-day countdown, but remember, you could even do this as an advent calendar. Are you ready to start making? Let's whip up our paper mache adhesive.